Ketogenic Diet, the step-by-step guide for beginners, is a comprehensive guide to the ketogenic diet that provides information on the science behind the diet, its health benefits, and practical advice for following the diet. Some of the lessons included in the book are: Understanding the ketogenic diet. The book provides a detailed explanation of what the ketogenic diet is and how it works, including how the body switches from burning glucose to burning fat for fuel. Benefits of the ketogenic diet. The book covers the various health benefits of the ketogenic diet, including weight loss, improved energy levels, and reduced risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. How to get started. The book provides step-by-step instructions for starting the ketogenic diet, including how to calculate your daily caloric and macronutrient needs, how to plan your meals, and how to track your progress. What to eat. The book provides a comprehensive list of foods that are allowed and not allowed on the ketogenic diet, as well as recipes and meal plans to help you get started. Tips and tricks. The book includes practical tips and tricks for making the ketogenic diet easier to follow, including how to overcome common challenges, such as cravings and boredom with the same foods. Maintenance. The book provides guidance on how to maintain the benefits of the ketogenic diet long-term, including how to make it a sustainable lifestyle change. The lessons in Ketogenic Diet, the step-by-step guide for beginners, are designed to provide a complete understanding of the ketogenic diet, as well as practical tools and resources for successfully following the diet. Whether you are new to the ketogenic diet or looking for ways to improve your existing diet, this book can help guide you on your journey to better health and wellness. The book, Ketogenic Diet, the step-by-step guide for beginners, suggests a high-fat, moderate protein, low-carbohydrate diet for those following the ketogenic diet. This means that the majority of your daily caloric intake should come from healthy fats, such as olive oil, avocado, coconut oil, nuts, and seeds. Protein should be consumed in moderation, with an emphasis on lean meats, such as chicken, turkey, and fish, as well as eggs and dairy products. Carbohydrates should be limited, with an emphasis on non-starchy vegetables, such as leafy greens, broccoli, and cauliflower. In terms of specific foods to eat, the book suggests incorporating a variety of healthy fats, such as olive oil, avocado, and nuts, as well as high-quality proteins, such as grass-fed beef, wild-caught fish, and organic chicken, and low-carbohydrate vegetables, such as leafy greens, spinach, and cauliflower. Additionally, the book provides a variety of recipes and meal plans to help you get started and stay on track with the ketogenic diet. Overall, the book emphasizes the importance of eating nutrient-dense, whole foods, and avoiding processed foods and added sugars in order to support optimal health and longevity while following the ketogenic diet. Many people find it to be a helpful and comprehensive resource for starting and following the ketogenic diet. They appreciate the clear explanations of the science behind the diet and the step-by-step instructions for getting started. People also like the variety of recipes and meal plans included in the book, as well as the practical tips and tricks for making the ketogenic diet easier to follow. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more. For purchasing the book, the link is in the comments section for your convenience.